Once upon a time, a crow was very hungry but did not get anything to eat. He got tired and sat on a branch of a tree. Suddenly, he saw a piece of cheese in a plate. He flew near the plate and picked it in his beak and flew away. He was now looking for a safe place to sit. He never wanted to share it with anyone else. On his way, he saw many other crows who wanted to share. Cleverly, he avoided them and sat on a quiet place on a tree. A cunning fox saw the crow with cheese. Her mouth started watering. She quickly made a plan to get cheese from the crow. She said sweetly, "Hi, handsome crow. I am Foxy Proxy, and I live nearby. My friends told me that crows have a very sweet voice. Is it true? I have never heard a crow singing a song. Would you please sing for me?" The crow was surprised because no one had praised his voice before, but he kept quiet. Fox continued, "Dear crow, you look so handsome with your shiny feathers. I hope you would sing a song for me, please." He opened his beak and started the singing. Down fell the cheese. Fox picked it, ate it all, and ran away. When the crow realized what he had done, he felt very sad.